Brothers, I greet you all in the name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Today, under the umbrella of Prayer School of the Prophet, we are still looking at our daily life, which is dreams or vision with an application. If you have a dream and you saw yourself, you caught a bird in the dream. Maybe you saw a bird flying and you jump or whatever, or however, you just caught the bird. What does it really mean? Provided they are domestic bird, they are good bird like dove, like pigeon, like not violent bird, good bird, you know. You saw that you caught that bird in the dream. Okay, what does it mean? You know, there's a proverb that says a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. With a domestic bird, it means a blessing. It means there's going to be a catch. That you're going to catch a blessing. There's going to be a blessing that will come your way. And that is the truth. Take note of this. Because a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. My prayer that you have a great catch. Today, this week, this month, this year, all that is yours from the Lord will come to you in Jesus' name. Amen.